Hey guys, how you doing? Duron Dimmock, Generational Wealth Partners. We are here based in the city of Atlanta. We work a lot of deals here in real estate in the Southeast, but specifically for you, we're going to be doing deals in Atlanta and right outside the city limits, no more than about 30 minutes, maybe about 30, 40 minutes outside of the city limits. That's our maximum because of value. The value inside of those lanes, kind of inside those areas, they continue to grow. Right now, let me start with kind of the facts. Right now, the city of Atlanta is growing at 60,000 people every 3 months. Every 3 months, we're getting 60,000 people, which means that we have a huge demand for housing, whether it be new construction or renovations. We have a huge demand. For you as an investor, that is a great idea. That is great. You want that. That's what you want because you're going to be renovating and possibly building houses in an area that creates its own leads, basically. Okay. We like to do things real, under the radar, so to speak. With what I mean when I say that is that we want to stay at that affordable housing number, which is 350,000 and below. That's the number we want to stay at for a profit margin to our investors, whether it be anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000. Okay. One thing you keep in mind that when you're using hard money or when you're investing, for you to make bigger profits, you're going to be looking at bigger down payments. Of course, you get the down payment back when you sell the home because that's all in your profit margin. But at the same time, you have to understand that if you want to make $100,000 in profit, you're probably going to be looking at putting down at least half of that to do a deal, or if not, 2/3, or somewhere between $50,000 and $65,000 to make that type of profit. Okay, that's if you're using hard money. All right. Now, so the exciting part is, again, like I said, we're behind on housing. We need housing. We at Generational Wealth Partners here in Atlanta, we are boots on the ground. We can handle anywhere from 7 to 10 projects a month. We have multiple teams. They do not work directly for our company, so we're not married to the contractors or the GCs. We have project managers. Our company trains project managers. These are the individuals whose job is to communicate with you, communicate with us, as a team, and make sure that we are all on the same page with your budget, time frames, as well as any resources that's needed to get things done. We fire and hire guys all the time to stay on our time frame. Guy doesn't show up, we have another resource, okay? So we can handle anywhere from 7 to 10 houses. Now, that doesn't mean we want to do 7 to 10 houses because we want to be very, very strategic about who we work with. We're not for everybody, and we're okay with that. We're not for everybody. Okay, so typically after we even have this video, or you guys get with the person who showed you this video, we do a call and we see if it's a good fit. If you're a good fit, we want to work with you. We want to make you money because we make money when you make money. But if not, we want to just say, hey, let's move on. I think we're not the firm for you. Okay, we're not the firm for you. So now let's kind of get into the way the deal works. We like to find deals where we're all in for about $200,000, $250,000. With our bank, there's no payment for the first 90 days. All right. You're going to be looking at anywhere between 15 to 20% down, depending on your credit. So if you're all in for $250,000, you're looking at about $50,000 down. Now we want to sell that house for $350,000. So we're looking at buying a house and renovating it with the hard money, the leveraging your cash with the hard money bank, which gives us the buying power to buy a house for $200,000, put 50 into it. Now you're in for $250,000. Okay. And then we're going to sell for $350,000. We have a broker that we work with here who's an investor broker because that's very, very important. Regular agents or regular brokers to do flips is just not, it just doesn't work because they don't understand the things that go into the questions and the inspections that have to happen on the back end. Okay. They don't understand that. So again, having an investor friendly brokerage that can help you with your investment property to sell is a plus. Your team is going to be the project manager, which is us. It's going to be your broker, okay, whoever you decide to go with, or if you decide to go with our referral broker, Real Estate Resource Group. The GC, if necessary. All projects doesn't need a GC. And the team of subcontractors, which we'll help manage, okay? We'll help manage those guys. But at the same time, it's up to you to do what you need to do, and make sure that things are being paid out in a timely manner because the money is going to go to your account. Okay, the money is going to go to your account, and it's up to you to either pay the guys, or if you're doing a project with us, sometimes we're able to send you invoices and you can pay us directly and we can take care of the guys just to manage the relationships if you guys are going to be there on the West Coast or out of the country. okay? Let's talk about some of the things that kind of scare you. Some of the things that scare you is, will the job get completed, okay? The bank is involved, so the bank has an interest in the job getting completed, okay? We have an interest in the job being completed because if not, the money that we make on it doesn't make sense if we don't complete the job in a timely manner, all right? We like to use the technology. If you have an iPhone, Google Drive, we like to take pictures of the properties every week. We would like to do 1 to 2 calls with you every week to give you updates on the property. Each call is about 30 minutes to 45, but sometimes the updates are the same. So what we have to do is not worry about if the plumbing is going in on Tuesday. Well, we may not have an update on Wednesday, but we still want to talk to you, okay? We still want to talk to you. So with that being said, we use the technology. We've been doing this for 20 years. We have the resources, and we have numerous amount of people who've been happy and made money, okay? You're gonna make money. That's the one thing we can let you know. You're gonna make money. You're gonna come out with a positive number. Things will come up, but we'll have the resources and the people that's needed to take care of those things, all right? So some of the things that that should not scare you is making this money and trusting us to get things done, because you're not just giving us all this money to just do a project. The project is set up to where you don't lose money. You can't lose money because the money only comes out when things are getting done, okay? You start the project, but then as things get done, that's when you pay for things, and that's when the bank approves things. So you're never gonna get stuck with a bunch of cash being out there and you're not being able to finish the project, okay? So there's another video that I have that if you guys are interested, it kind of breaks down the numbers, but that's kind of in a nutshell. I've been doing this for 22 years. I have an entire team. We've built, renovated, and done new construction. We're here in the Atlanta area. I was born and raised here, so I have family here. So if you guys ever looking for me, I'm here. Here I go, okay? But more than anything, we want to communicate, and we want to build and revitalize the city and allow you to make money, the same money that these big investors, these iBuyers are making on houses every day. All right, Duron Dimmock, Generational Wealth Partners. I look forward to working with you guys. Definitely get approved. Any more details, get with the person that sent you this video or myself and the team, and we look forward to working with you.